The Afon Rhyd Eilian is a small stream that flows into the Afon Rhyd, which I spoke about in another video. What does the name mean? Well, it's made of three parts. We have the word Afon, which is a river, Rhyd, which is a crossing place, a ford, and Eilian, which is somebody's name. So who was Eilian? Well, he was a saint from the 4th century. He came up here from Rome, apparently, in the year 450, where he started to spread Christianity in North Wales. And he gave his name to a few places around the island, and the rest of Wales as well, like Llanelian in Conwy, and there's another Llanelian as well in Anglesey. Now supposedly, he lived at the same time as St Cubby, who gave his name to Caergybi, to Holyhead. And they used to walk to meet each other to talk about church matters from Llanelian, from St Elian, and from Caergybi, from Holyhead, to St Cubby, and they'd meet somewhere in the middle near Llanfrydog.